it's me. We're home. Harper's here, picked her up early. Harper, I need you to pack your toiletries, your lotion, your toothbrush, toothpaste, Vaseline. Okay? Hello? Where's your bag that goes with your book bag? Can you find it? Dude? It's right there.
Where?
There you go. Put it on the bed. Go get your toothbrush and your toothpaste out the bathroom. Open it up.
It's already open.
Oh, how am I going to put the thing in it if you being a butt munch?
Look.
All the way.
Huh.
Move. Go get your toothbrush and your toothpaste.
Okay.
Knuckleheaded ninny.
Knuckleheaded ninny. Woo-hoo. Investigate.
Has your toothbrush been charging? Has it been charging? No, bring the charger too.
Investigate.
Get your toothpaste.
Investigate.
This child of mine. Toothpaste.
Investigate.
Nope, your toothpaste is right there.
Investigate.
Do y'all see what I have to do? Are y'all praying for me? This little girl is a hot mess.
Mommy, can I tell them?
No. No.
No.
All right, pack it up. Do you need anything else?
No.
Are you gonna bring do you want to bring your slippers?
What slippers?
Your dream big slippers?
Yeah.
Come on. Wait a minute. You trying to slide on the floor?
Hey, how are you?
Ace.
Hey, sit. Down. Go.
You can use her information.
We just dropped Ace off at the kennel for boarding.
Yeah.
We're not getting rid of him.
Yeah, nah, he just gonna get some vaccinations.
So yeah, he'll be there until Monday. So he gets a break from us. We get a break from him. Just to play with some other doggies. Yeah. Harper, how you feel about Ace being here? Go to the other side. All right, now EJ has to get gas and...
That was interesting. I guess with Harper pulling it so fast, she was quick on the trigger.
EJ has to get gas and then we can hit the road.
Y'all, so we are probably an hour away from Atlanta, and right here was a car on fire where you see all the ambulance and fire trucks. Now that little girl dancing. This person has set up their alarm, so it's stuck on both sides. So if you look all the way down, there was a car back there that was also on fire. So I don't know what's going on tonight. But yeah, we're somewhere on the outskirts of Georgia. And yeah, we've been here probably 20 minutes now. And hopefully within the next 10 or 15 minutes, they'll let us go. But yeah, stuck bumper to bumper. People are outside their cars, laughing, talking, hanging out. Yeah, it's just crazy.
I've been here before. We made it to Georgia despite all of the setbacks. Stopped at CVS to get some medicine for me and Harper because we both got a cough. We're heading up to the room. And we got some water and chips that's only for diamond and gold members.
I'm silver though. I stay here all the time. One of my perks is water. I might not be everything else, but I do water.